Welcome to the Dataset Details page. Let's walk through it. At the top, we have the dataset's name, and below that are 4 tabs with different groups of information about the dataset. Let's start with the first tab, the Data Overview. At the top of the Data Overview section, you will see the dataset's description. Next are 2 cards, a card to use the most recent view in a notebook, Analyze in Notebook, and another card for creating new views of the dataset. At the bottom of the page are attribute sets for this dataset. Attribute sets are groups of tags that describe the dataset. The attribute set you see here is part of the Capital Markets Sample Data Bundle. On the right, we have ownership information, such as name, email, and phone number, and some dates about when the dataset was created and last updated. Below that is a See Related card with all the tags related to this dataset. You can go directly to browsing other datasets by simply choosing one of these tags. Last on the right, we have an information card that will take you to more material about the financial analytics library available in FinSpace notebooks. This right-hand side will remain for all tabs. Next is the All Data Views tab. This tab contains details about the dataset's views and updates. First are the data views, with an action button to create a notebook to work with the data view, Analyze in Notebook. Next are the dataset's update history, where you will see the change history of the dataset. Last are action buttons to add data to the dataset, which can append additional data or replace the data with new data. Next is the Schema tab. If your dataset is tabular, as this one is, you will have a schema for the dataset. This tab will give you all the details about the schema, including the column name, its type, and an optional description about the column. Last is the Permissions tab. Here you will see what groups have access to the dataset. And if I'm in a group with the Manage Access entitlement, I can modify groups here as well, either by assigning new groups with the Assign New User group link, or remove a group, such as the one here, by using the item menu on the side. Look for more videos in the Discover FinSpace section of your environment. Thank you.